Hello everyone, today we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 2037, minimum number of moves to seek everyone. So this is the easy level problem on the LeetCode. The challenging part of this question is to understand the question itself. So let's understand it first. Here in this question, we have given two inputs, position of the students and seats. One student can move left or right by one position in one move. Our task is to place every student on a unique seat using the minimum total moves possible. So basically, we need to find the most optimal student to seat arrangement. So let's look at here. Here we have given input seats 315, students 274, seats as this is the arrangement, and students arrangement is here. The first student 2 present at position second to position 1 shifts from position 2 to position 1 using one move. The second student, the 7 1, position present at 7, shift from position 7 to 5 using two moves. As mentioned, students can move from left to right by one position in one move. So it takes two moves from 7 to 5. The third student, 4, move from position 4 to position 3 using one move, 4 to 3 using one move. So main idea behind this question is the closest students should go to the closest seats. So what can we do? To minimize the total move, we should match the nearest student with the nearest seats. As I mentioned before, if we don't sort, the student may cross each other, causing extra unnecessary movements. After sorting both the arrays, pairing them index by index guarantees minimum moves. As I sort here, seats and students. As you can see, compared to the input and after the sort, you can see the difference. It is easier to understand this diagram as I created it. So what can be our approach? Let's jump into here. First, I sort both the arrays so the students and seats are arranged in order. Then I traverse through the array and calculate how far each student is from their corresponding seats. I keep adding those distance to the answer. In the end, the total distance gives the minimum moves required. So that's our approach. If the After finding the corresponding seats of this move, we will find the absolute difference also. We calculate the differences. So let's begin. First sorting. Sorting is done. Let's take two variable in difference 0 and in sum to calculate the total number of moves. Now we will traverse through the array and calculate how far each student is from their corresponding seats. So here we will traverse to the array and calculate how far each student is from their corresponding seats by calculating its absolute difference. Here, now we will sum up all the nodes. We can the sum. Now let's check it. The test cases has been passed. Let's also click on submit and check if it's passes or all the test cases or not. So yeah, this is for this problem. That's it for my side. From my side, thank you.